Hello, everybody. Back with another post review. I have been busy this month. This is June. This is for June. Because I better say that because who knows when you're going to see it. But hopefully you'll see it in June. And welcome to Diane's Diamond Painting Journey. Don't know the name of my own channel. If you're new here, yeah, that's what happens here. And if you're new here and you like what you see, I hope you hit that subscribe button, or at least that like button, and leave me a comment. And I want to thank all my subscribers, old and new, because I wouldn't be here without you. Nope. And we're going to do a post review of my second finish for June. There have been like a diamond painting machine. And for those that ask, like, say, oh my God, I can't believe how fast you are. It's not that I place drills fast. It's because I have a lot of time. Yeah. I have, oh my, I can see lines on this. I gotta stop cutting my stuff so hard. Oh, that's scary. I hope it don't fall apart. Anyway, it's not that I have a lot of time. Husband still works. I don't. I'm in Belgium and from Canada, and I've never managed to master Dutch. So therefore, working is kind of difficult. So once the, a bit of adulting stuff is done for the day, housework and stuff, there's no kids in the house, I diamond paint while hubby's working so I don't get like bored to death. Alrighty, on to this. This is called the Campfire. By, do you see that sparkle? By Deborah Malcolm. Whoa, that's all ABs by. All ABs. Down in that bottom water. I didn't add anything to this because it wasn't necessary, because there was... See that shimmer? It's just gorgeous. And I've had this one. This one I started on June the 8th, and I finished on June the 12th. Serious multi-placing, color blocking. Most of it like line blocking. But, there was no single placing at all on this. Hang on one second now, because I got a cat that's trying to get in through the door. Yeah, that always happens when you're doing a video. Hello, Molly. This poor cat got to have some attention, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I got fur baby, yeah. So this one I purchased in September 2021. And hey, nothing wrong with the drills? Nope. There was nothing wrong with the stick? Nope. And symbols, of course, were always good. So there were 56 colors. They had 6 ABs in this kit. There were 44,526 drills. Took me 5 days to do it, which in total was 19 hours and 46 minutes. And when this first came out, I got Deborah Malcolm on my Facebook page. And like here, there's 2 people with a little tiny campfire. She said, now what is it? It's 69 by 51 centimeters, 27 inches by 20 inches. She said, I don't know why they made it so big. It was only a little tiny painting. Oh, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Let's see if I zoom you down. See all those ABs? Don't mind my lines. I never said I was the straightest diamond placer in the world. All these ABs here, here, here. There was one color was pink. There's just this little tiny bit of pink right here. Right there. Were there any up in the top? No. We got, oh, it looks like a bit of putty there. We got orange ABs here. Oh, there's some like brownish ones right here. Come here. That might be fur. And some yellowish ones right here. And over here there's orange ABs. More of those brownish, beigeish ones. And in here then, we got some green ones. And of course, all of those blue ABs. Some people might say, ooh, yuck. Oh, actually, there's 2 colors of ABs there, isn't there? I think. But I'm an AB girl, not a pixie dust or fairy dust or whatever dust she wants to call it. Maybe it has something to do with my poor eyesight. I don't know, because one canvas I did had some pixie dust on it, fairy dust, whatever, fairy dust I think it's called, with Diamond Air Club. And it did make a little, I could see a little bit of a difference, but if I want bling, I want some bling. So you got your beautiful sunset happening up here. And so you got your ridge of mountains. And then you have all this water. And then down here you have some like beach and land. Little island maybe there. And over here they have these 2 people over here. Let me move it this way. These 2 people right here with this little fire going. But they made them black too, right? Black and brown. Yeah, so it was gorgeous. Now, what did I say? There was 44,000 drills. This is the Diamond Art Club tray again. And that's all the drills I had, trash drills. And most of these were ABs with coating on the wrong side. They were not. It wasn't on the top. It was on the bottom. A couple actual pieces of. Let me see. I'll zoom in. Some pieces of trash. Like, let's see now. Doop-a-doo. A-doop-a-doo. I'm trying to see if I got one, if there's either one upside down there. So I can, they're not going to flip for me, boss. They're not. Oh, here's, no, that's not one. Oh, there's one. See, the AB coating is on the back. See it? Right there. There was only a couple. See, this one, pink one down here is like got a ridge around it. There were only like a few. I mean, for drills from 2021, there's no complaints. Now, this is discontinued, though. Yep. Yes, this one is discontinued. But I'm so glad I got it. So, yeah, this year, too, I'm basically working through the stash. I've had a couple of ones given to me by hubby and a couple of friends for, like, birthday gifts and anniversary gifts. But when you're not working, you can't afford to buy it, right? That's right. So you work through your stash. Stash is big enough. I'm glad I'm working through it. So I hope you like this one. If I haven't already, if you haven't seen something up there in the eye, I'll put the unboxing of it up there for you so you can see what it looked like if you want to, without the drills on it. And that's about all I can say about this one, only that I loves it. I really like Deborah Malcolm's work, though. I've got, I don't know. I've done 4 or 5, and I've got 5 or 6 more left to do. Now, I don't have them all, but I did one from another company. That was tedious, but I love the picture just the same. Because the squares weren't the best, but, ooh, another story from a different thing. This is rounds, by the way. Only did 1 square this month, and it just happened that the way it went, the ones I wanted to do, the bunch of them are rounds. But after doing that Josephine Wallman, I needed color locking in my life. And I actually did this one for Pride, too, and a couple of more events. Pride for the main thing. That's the color scheme of this month. It's Pride. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. Here's your big squishy hug. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.